Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, we do a walkthrough resort tour of Hotel Privilege Aluxes, an adults only all-inclusive, so stay tuned. And here we are in the lobby of Hotel Privilege Aluxes, getting ready for our walkthrough resort tour. If you haven't seen our last video where we spent the day at Playa Norte and rented a cabana and stayed there all day eating fabulous food, make sure you watch that video. Hotel Privilege Aluxes is a all-inclusive adults-only resort. It is plush and has the most tropical vibe that you could ask for. I was wanting to do this video natural with its own natural sounds, but there was a lot of music playing throughout the resort and I didn't want the video to be taken down, so I had to add my own. So let's get this video started, and here we are. Let's begin. talk about this channel, Dave and Rose Travels. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe now. Maybe give this video a thumbs up. Maybe share it with some people. Hit that notification bell so that you can see future content. Maybe leave a comment. Tell us how we're doing. And there you have it, everyone. Hotel Privilege Aluxes, adults only, all-inclusive resort. Thank you for watching this walkthrough of Hotel Privilege Aluxes. We're going to end this video at Satay Thai Restaurant, which is where we're going to be taking you later for dinner, so stay tuned.
Later.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels, so you can see our upcoming video where we eat at this most fabulous Satay Thai restaurant and Hotel Privilege Aluxes. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can see the other upcoming fun videos, like the graveyard view out our resort room video, or renting a golf cart and coming across the smell of a dead body video, our walk at night on Isla Mujeres video,